Hey guys, hope you are doing great. This is Shruti and today we are going to talk about something really interesting, which is the Blue Nectar Shubher Cream. So as you can see, the cream is super luxurious and I love the packaging. I love the kind of fragrance it has and I love the 13 herbal quotients in it. So winters are approaching quickly and we need some extra level of moisturization, some level of hydration to our skin and something really natural without any parabens, sulfate, phthalates or any harmful chemicals that can thereby reduce our skin texture and can make us fall really weak. So I'm gonna talk to you about this brightening radiance cream. I'm just gonna let you know about the ingredients. So it comes with this packaging. If you see, I love this cute box, and over here you can just find out all the list of the ingredients. Never buy any product, whatever you buy, without checking the ingredients. And I'm going to let you know about the extract, the muleti, kevra, aloe vera, haldi, and the ashwagandha extract, as well as the sandalwood oil is really important for your skin. It goes deep down to the layers, this cream, and it helps you to eradicate all the concerns that you have. So maybe over here, if you can see, I have worn no makeup and you can see my skin is not at all doing great. So I started using the Blue Nectar Shubher Cream and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. And it has been like 4 to 5 days and I'm really seeing the results over my face. So this is how the cream looks like if you have a closer look on it. And I'm gonna just dab on some of the cream over my face and apply it towards my skin. Can you see how it just got away to my skin and my skin feels so supple, glowy and hydrated at the same time. You could see the difference over here. My face has actually been brightened if I try to provide that moisturizing content over my surface. I really see the results. Can you see that? So without any further ado, I'm gonna tell you my full takeaway on it. I love this cream not only because it is made of all the natural ingredients, all the natural herbs, but also because the kind of products that are used in Blue Nectar's creams, right from the hair oils, from the serums, from the creams, from the moisturizers, they are 100% secure to use. So that is it from my end. I hope you guys like this video and do not forget to try this cream and give your own takeaway on this. I'm gonna love it and I'm sure that you're gonna love it too.